Hi, and welcome to 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. This week has been incredible. We have started a new series called Manifesting in 5D, and we actually accessed the frequency of shame. Now, when you hold shame, what happens is you actually play small. You perhaps don't take those opportunities, or you've been thinking about doing them and you're like, put them on the back burner. And there are many other aspects that stop you. You kind of like protect yourself. So sometimes you put on weight because you hold shame. Sometimes you keep your prices low because you don't feel you can possibly charge what you're worth. So we worked with that. And if you were interested in actually getting the replay of that first workshop, I'll leave the link below. It's on my newsletter. I've sent it out as a solo as well. So if you do get my newsletter, you will have got that. But if you don't, the link will be there because I honestly feel that this series, Manifesting in 5D, is so pivotal for us at this time. So thank you so much for joining me. I'm excited to do this with you. So let's see who wants to come in and what they want to do today for us in this 5 minute frequency. So let's just close our eyes, come into our heart space. Put your hands on your heart. And I want you to take a breath in through your nose and hold for as long as you can, and do that 3 times. Okay. Okay. And let's call our guides in and ground it into your earth star and connect with your soul star. Okay, good. Stay in your heart space. And what I'm hearing, this is Melchizedek here, what I'm hearing is, are you truly ready to step out of your spiritual closet? And so I'm asking what they would like to do to help us with this. Okay, so we're going to do some compassion. So with your hands on your heart, I want you to repeat these words. Yeah, okay. So what they're saying is, what we're doing is we're actually accessing that part of you that has stopped you from stepping out onto your spiritual mission. Okay. So we might not know how old they are, we might not know where they come from, but what we're doing is we're giving compassion to that part of you that perhaps feels afraid of stepping out of the into your spiritual mission, out of the spiritual closet. Okay. Okay, good. So just repeat these words. I'll do them really slowly. I'm so sorry it didn't feel safe to be seen. I'm so sorry you felt judged by them. I'm so sorry that you didn't feel worthy of being heard. I'm so sorry that that reminded you of all the times before. I'm so sorry there were so many times that you were killed for being a healer. I'm so sorry that that got triggered in your childhood. I'm so sorry you thought you were doing this all on your own. I'm so sorry you forgot that you had everything you needed within you. I'm so sorry that you forgot. You are a divine being of light, choosing to be human. There's many ascended masters here. Kuan Yin, Mother Mary, Jeshua. So I want you to take a deep breath in and come back. And just feel how it feels now. Is it possible that you could step out of the spiritual closet? Is it possible that you do have all the tools within you? Is it possible that you are divinity itself? Feel how it feels. Let me know in the comments. And if you are ready to step out of the spiritual closet onto your spiritual mission, we'd love to have you in the Soul Family, which is my Soul's Mission membership. I'll leave the link below. And if you are interested in getting the replay of that workshop that we just ran this week, then if you join the membership, you actually get that for free. And every single workshop that I run is all in the portal in the membership. So if you're considering the membership and stepping out of your spiritual closet, don't purchase the replay first, okay? Step into the membership and then you get everything. Lovely to see you all. Thank you so much for joining me. And I look forward to hearing how you feel now about stepping out of the spiritual closet. Much love. Have a good weekend.